Today, I am playing in Fresno, California with my FWAS. The game mode is, if anybody on our team gets hit, we switch to the other team and we can only use semi-auto.
So, one hit and you join the enemy team and you can only use semi-auto.
Okay. I just said that.
Hey, be careful with this side, guys. Hey, be careful with this side.
Okay.
Because they might come this way. No.
Yeah, it's there. Yeah.
Where?
Is that building on the left side of that building?
Oh shoot.
I think he's out. Yeah, he's out. So how did we win? Okay. He's out. Use semi if it's almost dead.
It's not working, it's okay. It's not. I can't get a shot off.
Here's the gate protecting the battery from frying.
It's okay, it's good.
Are we the only two left?
No. We have a friendly on our right side.
I think they're pushing left.
Where at? Oh, you got him? Hey,
I got him. Yeah, there's another one in the far corner.
There's another one.
I see him. At this point, most of my team is already wiped out and forced to switch sides. You want to shoot or you going to hide? Come out of hiding. You're pushing left.
I can't get a shot.
He's out.
Rob, they got me pinned on the side.
Your boot, bro. I'm shooting your boot. He's out. I'm shooting. Yeah, they're gonna get me. Now at this point, me and my battle buddy are only two left alive, so we gotta repel the entire airsoft field. Whoa. You're semi on that side. He's pushing, he's pushing. He's out, he's out.
I got one with a pistol.
Hey, I'm in the... Hey, let's move. Hey, let's move, let's move, let's move. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
I gotta carry this gun around with me.
Hey. Alright, so that's going to wrap up today's video. If you haven't realized by now, I just travel around and play at different airsoft fields. So drop comments on where you would like to see me play in the future. Alright, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.